Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change overlay or background color in image Lightbox in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to change overlay or background color for image Lightbox. Now go to page. So we are in Elementor page and then you see menu bar, so click on it, and then you see site settings, so again click on it. Then in site setting you see Lightbox, so click on it, and then image Lightbox setting open, and then you see background color. Now select, so you can select color according to your requirement. So we change color and then click on update. Your changes has been updated. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page again. Now click on image. Now you see background color change. So we are going to add some opacity. Back to setting. Now click on it. Now you see opacity we are going to add, and then click on update again. Setting has been updated. Go to Elementor page again and refresh the page. Again click on image. Now you see overlay color or background color. So you can set color scheme and opacity according to your requirement by using setting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.